Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I built this professional website from scratch. I'm going to be showing you every steps that I used in building this website step by step using WordPress and then Elementor page builder. As you can see, it's a professional website I built under 30 minutes using WordPress and Elementor page builder. It has 6 pages. As you can see, we have the services page like this. We have the contents and everything. We also have the about page. This is the about page. We also have different things like the testimonial and then the theme section. And one other thing I like about this is that everything that I've done here is 100% mobile responsive. So as you can see, now if I should shrink it right to the mobile view, you can see that it is 100% responsive. Right from the menu, you can open and close it to everything that has been done. It's all mobile responsive, and even the pricing plan and everything. So if you want to see how I actually created this website step by step, the full tutorial, just stay tuned and watch as I build it for you from scratch. And if this is the first time of you coming to my channel or seeing my video, I want to tell you to subscribe to this channel as we create educative videos regarding technical stuffs, online website building, making money online, different stuffs. So that is what we do here in this channel. So very quickly, let us dive straight into how to build a professional website in 2025. Alright guys, so right now I'm on my Namecheap account. So it's a hosting and domain company, because before you can build any website whatsoever, you need to get a hosting and domain. And if you already know how to do this, you can just skip this aspect of the video, like you can forward it to where I start building the website, because this is for people that are still new to website design. So in case you just want to get your hosting and domain, you can check the link in the description of my video. You will see a link to Namecheap there. So once you click on the link, it's just gonna bring you to this page where you can just go on ahead to get your hosting and domain. So you can just go with any hosting plan of your choice. You can start with the basic plan, which is Stellar or anyone. So just click on get started. So then you can scroll down to where you have search for domains here. You can put in the name of the domain you want to use for your project. So the one I'm using here. So something like this. So once the name is available, you're gonna see it like this. So you can just come down, then click on connect to hosting. So then everything is $34.84. Then you can add it to cart. It's gonna take you to the checkout page. You can click on confirm order from here. Then it's gonna tell you to sign up or you create an account. Sign in or you create an account. But since I already have account with Namecheap, so I'm just brought to the cart so I can pay. So this is where you're gonna add your card here. So you're gonna add your card details here, then you're gonna make your payment. So and after you've made your payments, you're gonna be given access to your hosting and your domain, something like this. So you're gonna have a dashboard like this where you can have your domain and your hosting. And once you gotten access to your hosting, so this icon is what you're gonna need, this icon here, because as I'm hovering over it now, there's an option below here which says go to cPanel. So that's all we need. We need access to the cPanel. We're just gonna scroll down and click on go to cPanel. So right now my cPanel is loading. So now I'm on my cPanel. So once you get to your cPanel, the first thing you need to do is just go down to where we have WordPress here under script. So just go to WordPress. You can open it in a new tab like this, or you can just click on it like that. So and on it, so once you got into your WordPress, you can just go down here to where we have install. So once you click on this small arrow here, it's gonna bring in quick install. So that's what you need. Just click on the quick install. Then you're gonna have your domain. So if you have more than one domains, you can click the drop down to select whichever domain. So because I already have a website on this domain, so I'm just gonna put in I'm just gonna type in. So this is gonna create a new directory for me to install the WordPress on. So but in your own case, you don't need to type in this, just go with this. So you don't need to type in anything. So then you're gonna come here and put in your username and your password. So I'm just gonna put in admin as my username. So then I'm going to set in my password here. In my password, so I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to come here and click on install. So I'm just going to wait for some few seconds and it's going to install. As you can see, it has successfully installed our WordPress. So once you've gotten your WordPress installed, then you just have to come to this second link here. So once you click on this second link, it's going to bring you to your WordPress dashboard. So you can now close all of these. So this is my WordPress. So to go to your WordPress dashboard, so we are logged into WordPress already. So you're just going to come here and go to dashboard. So you're going to come here and click on exit launch. So after that, go to plugins. Then you're going to open it in a new tab. So the first thing I do, especially when I'm using Namecheap, is I just come here to come and deactivate and delete all unwanted plugins. So I have actually selected everything, so except this plugin. So I'll just leave it. So I will then come here and click on deactivate. So I want to deactivate every plugin that I do not need on this website. I'm going to select everything again because you have to deactivate first before you can delete. So I'm going to unselect this again. Then I'm going to come here and then delete everything. Yeah, so I've successfully deleted every unwanted plugin. And so now that we've deleted every plugins that we do not need, the next step is to go on ahead and start installing the themes and the plugins that we need to create our professional website with WordPress. And to do that, let's first of all install our theme. So I'm going to come to appearance here. I'm going to go to themes. So I'm going to come to add new theme here. So there's a theme called Flux. So I love to use it a lot for my business websites, e-commerce, portfolio, and different types of websites like that. So this is the theme. So once you search for Flux, so once you see this theme, you have to do just click on install and then click on activate. So one beautiful thing about this theme is that once you're using this theme, the bulk of the plugins that you need would actually be will actually come with this theme. So and just we only need to search for few other plugins that we need. So I'm just going to come here to install now. So it's going to automatically install and activate the needed plugins for this theme to actually work well. So right now I have successfully installed and activated the Flux theme. So one of the reasons why I love this theme so much is because um, it gives me the liberty of being able to set up a highly professional and beautiful modern website in a very short period of time, so that I can have my time to focus on other aspects of the website like the speed, the SEO, the security, the other functionality I want to add on my website. But for the beautification and then the stuff, so Flux actually gonna take care of it. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So after you've installed and activated the theme, so the next thing I do is I'll come to where we have demo importer here. You can also get to that under Flux here. We'll see demo importer here. So once you click on this too, it's going to bring you to the same place where we have demo importer here as well. So once you are in the demo importer tab, you can just scroll down. So let me reload because of network. Yeah, so now it's loading. So as you can see, these are premium templates that comes with this Flux theme. So we have a lot of them that are free, and we also have a lot of them like 50% free and then 50% pro. As you can see, this one is for pro, so you can't actually use it, but you can preview it. Do you get? So now this is a free template. So now let me preview it so that you can see the type of templates they actually have. As you can see, this is a free template that we can easily use on our website, and this is basically for an e-commerce website. So if you have an e-commerce project, you can just easily install this theme. It's a free theme, then import and use this template, so you can check through all of their designs. As you can see, so it's my network, that's why some images are not showing. My network is not very strong this evening, so you can check a lot of templates, you can see. So let me check another template that is not e-commerce, probably a business template. So you can also come here as well. These all templates, it has 237 templates. So we have 92 business templates. So you can see. So now let's check some of the business templates. So this a free one. Let's see how it looks like. As you can see, this is how this template actually looks. It's very beautiful, so we can use it as well. I've used it for different projects, like 2 or 3 projects, decent templates. So you can install the theme and preview a lot of templates that you can use. Like you can just play around it and see different templates. This is another one with a very beautiful image slider. So because of time, I will not want to waste a lot of time on this. So but as you can see, we have e-commerce templates, 52 of them. So I think a lot of these ones are premium, but I believe even the ones that are free are highly astonishing. Like we have shared a free one the other time, and this is another free one. And lest I forget, if you also want to get the pro version of this thing, you can check the description of my video below. You see a link to where you can actually purchase it directly from Code Kenya. And if you're good with the free, you can just go on with your project and check, because I always advise you use the free and not see how it looks like. Then if you're interested in going for the premium, you can go for the premium. So these are the templates we also have for blogs and magazine, like you want to do blogs and stuff like that. So you can go through all of these by yourself. But because of time, I won't want us to waste too much time on this one. You can actually check them yourself. So the next thing I want us to do, I'll just come to business right here. Then I'm just going to choose a template. So I think this is good. So I've previewed it the other time. So this is the free e-commerce template that I opened the other time. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's very professional. You can view our products, and then so now let me just close this. Then so the next thing I want to do is I want to import this. So let's work with this. So let's assume this is the template I'm going for my client. So I'm just gonna click on import. Then I'm gonna come here and click on continue. Then I'm gonna come here and click on install plugins. So it's gonna actually install the plugins for you automatically. And in some cases it might ring failed here. So that's not a problem. What you just need to do is whichever plugin that is telling you fail, just copy the name, then go to your plugins here, then you can search for it and install it. So it's gonna go. So now I'm gonna skip this, because if you want to remove the watermark, you need to go for the premium version. I'm gonna show you how to actually I'm actually going to show you a way around all of this watermark stuff. So I'm going to click on skip. So I'm going to click on import content. So I'm going to wait for like as you can see 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So we're going to wait for some like maybe 5 minutes. So and between not more than 5 minutes, even sometimes it might not even be up to 5 minutes, and it's going to install everything that you need. So but in my own case, I'm just going to pause this video. So I'm going to come back after some minutes to see how it has actually imported. Yeah, finally it has successfully imported. It was not even up to 5 minutes actually. So after you've successfully imported the template rather, so you can preview it, and you can also like customize, you can also close it. So let's preview it. It's gonna show on our website. As you can see, this is our website. So now let's just make sure everything has loaded. As you can see, the some of the image we actually have watermark, and like I already told you, I'm gonna show you how to get go around this freely without having to go for their paid subscription to remove the watermark. So but apart from the watermark, everything is going to install successfully. You won't have any problem. So and if you should come to our pages here, you can go to all pages. So you can see all of the pages has been installed successfully. So such that all of these pages that you see in the menu here are all designed. They are all designed. So all you have to do is just edit the information on the website to your own information, and also edit all of the pictures on the website to your own pictures. And I'm also going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. If you are a user of Elementor, you would have been familiar with that. And if you do not have idea on how to use Elementor, I also have a free video on a complete video on how to use Elementor. So it's a page builder. It's one of the plugins that has been installed when we were installing the theme. So we were actually installing it automatically. So this is it right here. So whenever you go to any page that you want to work on, so now for example, let's assume you want to work on the home page. So you can just come to edit with Elementor here and click on it. So it's going to bring you to the editing area of the website. So once you get here, all you have to do is just come here and close it. So this is the editing area. So this is where we can get to edit everything that is on this website. As you can see, as I clicked on this, it brought out the wordings. Do you have a goal that is written here? So you can change everything. This is the heading. This is secondary heading. A goal is a dream. The one that is right here. Then with a deadline. This okay, deadline. Okay, this is the with the deadline. So you can just change it to welcome to whatever name, to whatever write-up want to use. So it's as simple as that. So once you work on once you have done any editing, so you just come here to where we have publish. So just click on the publish, then you can preview your changes here. So when you click on that, it's gonna bring you to this page. As you can see, everything that I edited is now showing here. So that is how to work on that. So it's still the same way you work on every aspect of the website. Like the button, when you click on it, you see this is the text of the button. You can change it, and where do you want the button to link to read more. So you can just put the link here, for example. So if you want it that when they click on the read more, it should take you to the about page. So just go to the about page, copy the link, then come here to the link here, paste it here. So once you click on the publish, and then come back to your home page and you click on the read more, it's going to take you to the about page. So it's as simple as that. So I wouldn't want to waste much of my time doing all of the editing right now, since you already know how to do that with Elementor. And if you do not know, I will link the video of a full training on how to use Elementor for you in the description of this video. Just check it out and you can learn how to use Elementor. So to change any picture on your website, just click on the picture. This is it here. Then you can click on it. So this is our media library. You can change it to any other picture. So if I should click on this, it's going to change the picture. So as you can see, the picture has been changed. So and if the picture you want to use it on your laptop, you can just come to upload, select file. It's gonna take you to your laptop, computer. Yeah, so this is my downloads. So you can easily upload any picture you want to use. But I don't have any picture I want to use, so I'm just gonna close it. So you can also use Ctrl Z to restore anything you have done before. Then after that, let me just go on ahead and show you how to fix the watermark. So now to fix the watermark is very simple. So what we need to do is come back to the dashboard. So you're going to go back to the demo importer, Flux demo importer. You scroll down. So you're going to look for the template you're using. So this is the template we are using. As you can see, instead of import, it is actually uninstall. So you can uninstall a template and import another one if you don't want to use this again. You can uninstall it and import another one. It's as simple as that. So you just have to preview the template itself again. So let me close this. So because in the preview of the template, all of the pictures there are not watermarked, everything is original. So you want to use all of this original picture, you just have to download the picture. So I'm going to go to my downloads. So I'm just going to go to my downloads right here. So, and as you can see, this is the image directly. So what am I going to do here? So I'm just going to come to my to the section right here, so where we actually want to change. So I'm going to click it there. I'm going to come to style. So this is the image that we are using that has the watermark in the background type. So I'm just going to click on it. So I'm going to go to upload files, select files. So I'm going to select the one we just downloaded. Select, and as you can see, the watermark is gone. Then you can publish it. So once you review the change, then so now the last watermark is coming from the background. So you can just select the background here. So this is it. So I'm just going to replace the image as well. This also has the watermark. So select. So then I'm going to publish it. So now let's see. So everything looks good now. So now let's go down and do the same for every other images that has background on our website. So I'm going to close the inspect element tab. So I'm back on my demo. Don't forget to just go back to your demo, then scroll down to the image here. So just download it again. Download this. So come back to your website, click on the image, content. So I'm not clicking on the image yet. Image. So then do the same thing. Upload files, select files, then select the image, select, publish. Then you can scroll down, and this is it. So that's the same way we actually work on every image that has watermark. So let's do that for this as well. So start. So come back to your demo website, scroll down to this background here. So I'm just going to come here. So if an image is a background, so you might not be able to download it directly. So what you need to do is just right click and then go to inspect elements. So it's very simple. Just make sure. So I want to make sure so this is it here. So I want to make sure I'm choosing it. So this is the section. So this is the section. This is the section. Just make sure you are selecting the section here, because once you inspect element, automatically the code that is going to come here is going to be the code of this particular section. That's why once I'm clicking here, it's actually highlighting all of this place. So that's the code we want. So once it is highlighting it, so the image is going to be under style because it is a background image. So this is the image right here. So if I should click on it, so this is it. It's a PNG background, so I'm just going to save image. So that's how to download background. So it's a bit tricky, but it's not that hard. That's just how to do that. So but if it is an image that is on top like this, can easily just save image and it's going to be downloaded. So I'm just going to come back here. So I'm going to click on this section. So where is the image? If it's not in the background, let's check the background overlay. It is not there as well. Section. Let me go to advanced. So if it's not there, then the only place could be is this column. So let's click on the column. So that's it. So just click on it here. So I'm going to go to my downloads. So this is the image right here. So I'm just going to drag it in here. So I'm just going to click on select. So right now, as you can see, we have changed the background and the watermark should be gone. So now let me check. So you can scroll down. So the watermark is gone as well. So just do that for all of the images. So let me see, it remains just one. So now this is actually our footer. So when you want to work on your footer with this flux theme, you can't actually do that in your pages. So if you want to work on your header and then the footer, the header and then the footer here, there's a way we actually do that. So I'm going to be doing that in a moment right now. So I believe every other thing that is here, you should be able to edit by yourself. And if you also want to add more to the design, you can simply do that. So by just adding more elements, more columns, and you can also duplicate from the designs that are available, then you can work on it. So now let me just show you how to work on header and footer. So in case you want to change the logo that is being used, change the logo that is used there as well, then that stuff. So to do that, just come to edit header and footer right here. Then you're going to come to site header here. Just click it. So now it has loaded. So this is our site header. So now let's click on edit with Elementor. So this is it here. So this is our logo, this is our menu, and this is our icons. So you can simply come here to our logo. So because the element they are using for the logo here is not an image element, it's actually a logo element, and the logo has been set somewhere else. So and in my own case, I don't usually like it like that. So this is a logo element, and to change the logo, you can't actually change that from here, but you have to change it from the customizer, and that's how this Flux Pro works. Unless you want to change this logo element to an image element. So now let me show you how to change the logo right from the customizer. So just as you can see, your site logo is set in customizer. Just going to click on this customizer. So this is the customizer, and as you can see, it has taken us to where we can change the logo or remove it. So I'm just going to click on change logo. So from here, you can decide to upload your own logo. So but in my own case, I don't really have any logo I want to use, so I can just come to media library and change to it. I think let me see if there's any other icon that we can use. But let's test this out. Okay. Crop image, then you can skip cropping. So this is it. So you can adjust the width from here. Let me try 40. So let me publish. So if you should. So now let me just preview the website from here. So this is how it looks like now. So the logo seems to be too big. So and basically that is why I don't really um set the logo from here. So but instead what I do is I can come back here. So let me just reload so that everything can reflect. So now what I do is instead of using this logo element, I prefer to use the image elements because that is much more adjustable. So you can just so I'm just going to copy this. Then I'm going to come here and click on paste style. So and the reason is because I want it to have this style. So I'm just going to choose the logo. Yeah. So then I'm going to delete the one of the the one I just deleted belongs to the logo element, and this is the one I'm using. So I'm going to delete the one of the logo elements here so that it can remain the image. So though if I should publish, so it can still be big like this, but at least I can now adjust. So now let me show you. Go to style here, then I can adjust to probably 25, and let's see how it's going to look like now. So do you see? So you can adjust to, because the size of the logo is directly affecting the size of this header. So it has to be small so that the header too can, so do you get? So so you can still adjust it more, probably to 10. So don't mind the way it's viewing here. It is how it actually views here that matters. So I think it's okay this way. So probably I can just give it 12. And one thing I also like about this is that everything is responsive. As you can see, the responsiveness has been done, so you don't have any problem. So I'm going to show you that as well. So now let me just publish and let's come back to our stuff here. So now let me reload. So if I should shrink the website to the mobile version, then you see that everything you are doing is totally responsive. So once you are working with this team and their templates, you don't need to kind of like worry much about the responsiveness, as it has all been taken care for you. So you have to do just worry about the editing. So now let's go to the footer. So you can close this as well. So to edit the footer, so once you're on the website, just over here click on site footer. So then you can come here and edit with Elementor. So this is it. You click on this section, style. So you want to change the background image. So okay, I think I've closed the demo. So it's the same process. So if you're unable to download it, just come here and come to inspect. So I think this is it right here. So let's click on it, save, then come back to our footer. So I'm just going to change this, upload, select file, select, and that's it. So then the logo can also just come here and then change the logo as well to this. then you can do all of that stuff like the menu. So I believe you should be able to work on the menu. I've covered all of these before in my videos. The menus, how to work on the menus and stuff like that. So this it's so and that's essentially how to work on every other pages of this website. So the design has been taken care for you so that you can focus more on other aspects. So that's basically how to create professional website, guys, in 2025. Yeah. So if you want to learn more about these stuff, just stay to my channel as I'll be dropping even more videos. If you have any question regarding everything I've covered in this video, please don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section below this video. And if you have also learned any new thing or gained anything special in this video, please don't forget to do me the favor of liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell button to be notified each time I drop any new video on this channel. You can check out my other videos as well, and that will be all for now, guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.